Good. I'm petting Hannibal. Hi, baby. Hi. Does that feel good? Hi, Hannibal. Am I afraid? Yes. Hi. Hi, baby. I'm afraid right now. Hi, I'm petting Hannibal. Hi, Hannibal. Hi. Hi. Look at this. I am petting Hannibal. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, I'm afraid. Don't bite me. Hi. Hi, Hannibal. Hi, baby. I'm sorry, I'm afraid of you. Hi. Hi, Hannibal. Hi, buddy. He is so loving this right now. Hannibal. Hannibal. Oh my goodness, look at this. Hi, Hannibal. I think we were more afraid of you than you were afraid of us, but you can't bite me. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. I'm afraid of you. It's okay. It's hard to not be afraid of these guys when they come in so angry at the world. Hi, Hannibal. Hannibal, you are beautiful. Oh my goodness, he's a big boy. Hi. Hi. Sorry, this is long, but this is amazing. Hannibal. Hi. Hi, I'm not afraid of you anymore. Hi. Chris, you're not going to believe this. Come see who I'm petting. Hi. Hi, buddy.
Hannibal.
Hi. Can you believe this? Do you think, is it because Santa's coming?
Hi, Hannibal.
I can't believe this. Hi. Hi, Hannibal. Hi, Hanny. Should we call you Hanny? Holy cow, this is awesome. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh my gosh. Wonder if I'll be able to do it again. Hi, buddy. I'm just afraid that he's going to hurt me.